Hi all, welcome to today's section. Today we are going to discussing about Dmql, Data Mining Query Language. Data mining query language was proposed by Hanfi Van for the database miner data mining system. The data mining query language is actually based on the structured query language. Data mining query language can be designed to support ad hoc and interactive data mining. Data mining query language provide commands for specifying primitives. Data mining query language can work with databases and data warehouses as well. Data mining query language can be used to define data mining tasks. Why data mining query language required? Data mining request. For the given data mining task, the corresponding dataset must be defined in the form of a data mining request. Let us see, this is an example as a user can request for any specific part of the dataset in the database. The data miner can use the database query to retrieve the suitable database before the process of data mining. If the aggregation of this specific data is not possible for data miner, he then collect the superset from which one can derive the requested data. This provides the need for query language in data mining, which acts as its subtask since the extraction of relevant data from the used data cannot be performed by manual work. Many development methods are presented in the data mining techniques, but by doing this way, sometimes the task of collecting relevant data requests by the user may be failed. By using Dmql, a command to retrieve specific data set for the data from the database, which gives a desired result to the user, and it gives comprehending experience in fulfilling the expectations of users. Second point, background knowledge. Prior knowledge of data set that their relationship in the database helps in mining the data. By knowing the relationship or any useful information can ease the process of extraction and aggregation. For an instance, the conceptual hierarchy of the number of data set can increase the efficiency of the process and accuracy by collecting the desired data easily. By knowing the hierarchy, the data can be generalized with ease. Generalization. When the data in the dataset of data warehouse is not generalized, often the data would be in form of unprocessed primitive integrity constraints roughly associated multivariate data set and their dependencies. But by using the generalization concept, using query language can help in processing the raw data into a precise abstraction. It also works in a multi-level collection of data with a quality aggregation. When the larger databases come into the scene, the generalization would play a major role in giving desired result in a concept level of data collection. Flexibility and interaction. To avoid the collection of less desired or unwanted data from the databases, efficient exposures value or threshold must be specified for the flexible data mining and to provide compulsive interaction which makes the user experience interesting. Such threshold values can be provided with the queries of data mining. Advantages of data mining. Advantages of data mining means advantages of Dmql. Helps systematic development of data mining solution, improve interoperability among multiple data mining system and function, promote education and rapid learning, promote the use of data mining system in industry and society. This is actually advantages of Dmql, not data mining, it's the advantages of Dmql. We want to familiarize some example syntax to retrieve the relevant data set. Syntax: use database name, then use hierarchy name for attribute. Root specified related to attribute or aggregate list from relation where condition. Order by ordered list. Which type of threshold is equal to threshold value for attribute X. In the above data mining query, the first line retrieves the required database data name. The second line uses the hierarchy on has chosen hierarchy name with the given attribute. denotes the type of rules to be specified. To find out the various specified rules, one must find the relevant set based on the attribute or aggregation, which helps in generalization. The form and where clauses make use of the given condition being satisfied. Then they are ordered using ordered by for designed threshold value with respect to attributes. Then we want to familiarize some more syntax for generalization. Generalize data into relation name. Association. Find association rule as association rule name. Classification. Find classification rule as rule name according to attribute. Characterization. Find characteristics rule as rule name. We want to focusing with why we are using Dmql and what are the specification of Dmql, then advantages of Dmql, not data mining, it's actually advantages of Dmql, advantages of Dmql. Then some example, brief example syntax, how the system will works. Thank you.